Hi everyone, I'm Mindy and I will be doing Atomy's product introduction for today. We are going to go over living and food products that Atomy provides, and a lot of this information you're able to access through your own either website or through the Atomy app. Atomy is very good about going into details about how they make their products and what are in their products and what make them very unique. So first I'm going to talk about the Atomy detergents. They have great liquid and powder detergent. I usually use liquid detergents, but because the powder detergent is just as great, I also use that one. All of the detergents are natural, so they're all plant-based, but that still makes Atomy makes it to where they're still tough on stains and still smell really well. Another thing that I love about their products is they're eco-friendly, so they don't have anything that harms the environment. So if you check real closely to your product, you'll see the 7 no's. They leave out a lot of harmful ingredients out of their product, and they only make their products nature-friendly and all natural. They're perfect for sensitive skin, and also for if you have newborn babies and you're concerned about what detergent you would like to use, Atomy products are great. I'm going to go more into detail about the powder detergent. Now the fabric detergent, it's usually when you use a powder detergent, you have to worry about stiffness in the clothes, or there's sometimes if you ever notice a residue left on your clothes, you don't have to worry about that with Atomy's. Atomy includes zeolite in there, which helps make the product very soluble, and so you won't see any of the product left in your clothing, and it just smells really good, and you get a lot of loads out of this. I have all of the Atomy products, and I wash a ton of clothes, and all of them are highly concentrated, so you don't have to use a lot of the products in comparison to others, and they're still just as effective. And the fabric softener, same thing, made all natural, and it smells great. So I would definitely recommend this if you want to try something all natural for your clothing. Atomy has great products to try. The Atomy dish detergent is one of my favorite products, especially in the kitchen. It can be used for so many things. I use it to clean my wedding ring. I clean my husband's pat machine, but mostly because it's nature-friendly, plant-based formula. So when you use it, you could tell how effective it really is. It's tough on grease. It's 99.9 effective with E. coli eradication. So you could tell it's a multi-purpose detergent in the kitchen, but also you can use for other things. I had someone accidentally mark my chair with Sharpie, and it worked well with getting that out. So very powerful product, yet it is safe enough to use on your fruits and vegetables. And this is important because with the pesticides and products that people are using on our fruits and vegetables, it's nice to know that we have a product that we can soak our fruits and vegetables in to clean them. And not only that, it makes your vegetables taste amazing. We like to use this on our greens. When Jason makes greens, our greens taste so good. So it makes a difference in taste. And this is just an all-around great product, completely plant-based. So you don't have to worry about any additives, or I'm the type, when I use other products now, it smells strong. You can smell the chemicals in it. But like I said, it's one of my favorites. The Atomy multi-purpose scrubber is, I've replaced my old scrubber with this one for several reasons. One is it's antibacterial, so it's definitely going to help me with cleaning. Has high abrasion resistance, so this darker blue side you can use if you're needing to scrub out tough stains and grease. It has a triple layer structure to help with multi-purpose function. It has an ergonomic design to help fit your hands, so you're able to, help you with the dishwashing. Anything that helps. I need all the help I can get in the kitchen. Uh, what I love mostly about this product is it lasts a really long time. It's a very good sponge, but also it'll start changing color when it's time to change. It never holds a smell, because some sponges, is smelly. Some sponges, you're like, is it time to clean? Trying to change it, or can I get some more use out of it? This one, it lets you know when it's time to change, but it lasts a long time, and it's a very good scrubber. The stainless steel scrubber is also a very great scrubber to use in the kitchen. It's high grade and made of stainless steel. It's very durable, and the stainless steel is great because it's resistant to rust, so you don't have to worry about rusting. But this one is also antibacterial. The Atomy latex gloves are great gloves to use because they're also ergonomic in design to fit your hands. But they have hooks, so when you're done, you can hang them for dryness. And these are also made of red clay and charcoal, which helps with sensitivity. So people with eczema would definitely like to use a glove like this. And also, this one helps with antibacterial effects. So it's a great glove that'll last you a really long time because it's antibacterial. Atomy's MediCook has several pots and pans. They're all made with 5-layered 3.5 millimeter thickness. They're all 3/16 stainless steel. This helps with improved corrosion resistance, and it helps with durability. So these are going to be really great pots and pans to cook with. With these, they are great with all kind of ovens, so it doesn't matter what kind of oven you're using. You don't have to use at very high heat in comparison to other pans. You don't have to use water, and if you use oil, you only need a little bit of oil when you're cooking with these pots and pans. So like everything else, Atomy makes great quality products. Along with this, you get a 60-day return policy if you're not satisfied. Atomy's potato ramen is very popular. With this ramen, the noodles are made with potatoes. So you get a lot of fiber out of this ramen, which in comparison to the typical ramen. So the amount of fiber you get out of the potato ramen is the equivalent of half a head of lettuce. It's very flavorful, tastes really, really good, and what I like about it too is you can make it as spicy as you like. I prefer spicy, but some people don't. So this is definitely a healthier option when it comes to eating ramen. This is Atomy sandwich liver snacks. They're individually packed, so when you open it up, you'll see 8 individual bags. They have 4 flavors. They have almond, red wheat, brown rice, and pumpkin seaweed. So these are all vegan friendly and very addictive, I have to warn. They're a very tasty snack that they have that they offer on the website. Atomy Arabica Black Coffee is an instant coffee that tastes just like fresh brewed coffee. The Arabica coffee bean is 100%. It's one of the finest coffee beans that Brazil has due to the rare harvest. It's relatively expensive, but of course with Atomy, we're able to get this product at a very good price. And Atomy uses a micro grinding technology to make this product, and the coffee beans are also frozen dried, which helps minimize the loss of flavor and also the scent. So we're still able to get such a fine coffee product even though it's instant. Atomy's Himalayan Pink Gourmet Table Salt is fresh from the foothills of the Himalayan mountains, and it contains 84 different minerals and trace elements. So it's 100% pure and doesn't contain any additives such as GMO, soy, gluten, MSG, or any dairy or anti-caking agents that you may get in other gourmet salts. Atomy's Canned Pots Black Pepper is used with natural organic farming method, so no chemical fertilizers or pesticides. You don't have to worry about that with Atomy's product. And this is, once again, 100% black pepper. So you're not going to get any of the stems or leaf powder that may be in other black peppers. And also there's no chemicals that are being used because of the method that Atomy uses. Atomy also has organic black chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3. You'll get a great amount of protein and fiber out of chia seeds. And once again, here's a product that's vegan, no GMO, all natural, gluten-free, and an excellent source. So Atomy pretty much makes it easy for you to shop with them, so you don't have to worry about whether you're getting a great product or not. This is Atomy's Pure Tea. So this is from the Kema Heights, one of the oldest trade routes in human history. So this tea has a very long history. It's one of China's top famous teas. China is very big on tea. So this one is made through an aged fermented tea process. The natural fermentation process helps this tea to contain plenty of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties. So it's a tea that's great with helping us with stress, digestion, and reducing body toxins, and a number of other things. If you notice here, it says Atomy Slim Body Pure Tea. So this is a tea that's also been used to help with weight loss. This is Atomy's Avocare 100% avocado oil. This is made in Mexico. It is 100% cold pressed extra virgin oil, and it contains omega-3, 6, and 9. Has no cholesterol, trans fats, or carbohydrates, or any sugar, and it's also non-GMO. So this is a great oil to cook with, and also helps make your food taste amazing. Atomy has 2 travel kits that they have available right now. The first is the cleansing travel kit. It contains the herbal hair shampoo, conditioner, body cleanser, and lotion. So this is a great kit to take for traveling. Along with that, you can still get the skincare travel kit as well. So this is a small toner, lotion, essence, nutrition cream, and eye cream. If you're familiar with Atomy for a while, the old system that we had was the Skincare 6. So this is the Skincare 6 to go. It's now been replaced with Fame. So very soon we will have the Fame travel kit available on Atomy's site. Atomy has many other products that you can view in the beauty and health section, but after covering the products today, I hope you're able to see the absolute quality that Atomy puts in their products, and there's absolutely no way anyone can match the price that we're able to get it at. So I hope you enjoyed my product information today, and you will enjoy the rest of the seminar. Thank you.